This is a 3D printed pen launcher. It launches these big pens, a round stick. This video is going to be on how it works and how I made it. The way it works is quite simple. It has this hole where the pen can go in and out of. So you push this pen like all the way in until this trigger can lock, and then once it's locked, like, the pen can't move out, but the rubber wants it to move out. So as soon as you unlock it by pressing this trigger like that, the pen comes out really fast. I've modified this pen. You can see it has like a groove right here for this trigger piece to go into and lock it. And also at the back there's another groove for the string, for the string not to like slide off the thing. So that one holds onto the string. That one holds onto the trigger like this. You see how it like goes right in, and then, so imagine there's force from the rubber. You go like that, and then it goes forward. This one, this is my final design. It's got 12 rubber bands on either side, like this small circle rubber bands. And this is my first prototype. And then first prototype, it took me one prototype to get to my final design. And this one has 6. And you could more clearly see the trigger on this one. In order to load this, you would need to put it in like that and then put it against like some solid surface. But like this one has way too little friction. Like, put it against a piece of wood that you don't care about denting, and then you would push this all the way down like that, and then you push this trigger like a bit. Put this trigger a bit forward and it would lock.